if you're working on a sheet with multiple collaborators that are talking to each other and you don't want any comment notifications, this is how to turn off comment notifications. A comment is, if you right click, you can comment and you can add a mention or comment anything, and usually everyone on the sheet is notified. But we can go up to Tools, Notification Settings, Comment Notifications, and here we have the ability to either select all comments, comments for you, or click None, which means you will not be notified of any comments. Click OK, and there you go. You can turn off that comment notifications in your sheet. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.